Hi there, and welcome to this video. Today I have no idea what I am going to be doing for my nails, but I know I want it to be very springtime feeling. I want to do a little bit of color, so I pulled out everything I think I may use, and let's see what we come up with. So I think I will use this Model 1's color in this dark pink, and I will just apply that to all of my nails. And since it's not as opaque as I would like, I am just going to add another coat. And I only end up doing 2 coats in total. After wiping off the sticky layer, I am done with the color and we are going to move on to the design. I would like to try and use some flower nail foils. I have this box of a whole bunch of colors, but I think I am going to choose this one. So I think I will cut out this one. I really like how it looks. And I am just going to put that on one of my fingers using this Beetles nail foil glue. All you do with this is you just put it on like any regular polish and then you cure it for 60 seconds. It becomes very tacky and helps the foil transfer better. So with the nail foil, I'm just going to stick it down and really rub it in to get it to transfer. Sometimes with nail foils, the design doesn't transfer very well. And the parts that didn't stick well, I will just try to line up as best I can and stick them down. And I'm going to go in with a few more pieces to fill out the rest of the nail. I'm liking how that looks, so I think I'm going to do a few more nails the exact same way. Now I am going to add some rhinestones, and I'm using this nail glue that I got off of AliExpress, and I'm just pulling out a few different rhinestones and gems and stuff that I think I'm going to use, and we'll just see what we come up with. I think I'm going to go kind of gold and silver. And I also add some little pearl rhinestone. I like the look it gives. It's more of like an antique-y nail look. I was just going to do a few little of these caviar beads at the top, but I decided it would look better if I did a whole border, and wow, that was a lot of work. It's a little wonky, but I think it's okay. So for the rest of the nail art, I'm just gonna kind of cheat a little bit and use these stickers that I got either from Shein or AliExpress. If I can find the link, I will put it in the description. Now I am just going to apply a top coat, and that is everything. So let me know if you enjoyed this video and if you like how these nails turned out. I think I like them. It isn't as bright and springtime as I wanted it to be, but I really like how they turned out. Again, let me know what you think. And if you did enjoy this video, please give it a like and subscribe. It would really help me out. I will talk to you in my next video. Goodbye.